Welcome to our channel, Smart Data Learners. Uh, this channel is all about working with the data, how to learn data skills, data presentation skills, and all that. So today our goal is to develop a dashboard based on the data from SQL database residing in Microsoft SQL Server. And this database is a very famous sample database provided by Microsoft, named as this database named AdventureWorks Data Warehouse 2019. So this is basically the now we are in front of in this dashboard, and I will show you how it works, and then we will start working to complete this project. So let's see what this project is about. So basically, this is a dashboard uh, based on the sales report uh, from the data from the SQL database, and it has it will show the products sales by product category, customers, and all that. So let's start. Uh, in this dashboard, it's named as sales overview, right? This is the first screen which shows sales overview. It has different years of data grouped under different years like 2019, 2012, 2013. And then we have these filters. We can select these by city, by product subcategory, by product category, and by product name, right? And that shows which year we want to look into the data. For example, we can go into the 2012 for that's how it shows by month of these several certain months. For example, this is our sale by product category. So it's here we see that bikes are almost 96% sales, and then we have different other categories, accessories and clothing. And then we have a sales and budget month. Here in this graph we are showing these sales by top 10 cities, sales by top 10 product names, and these are the maps which where the sales are located. And you see these color shows most sales. And then we have second screen. In the second screen, that shows the data of total sales, budgeted sales, sales, and budget by month. So these are sales by month and budget sales. These are total sales, budget sales. These are sales by customer city, top 10 products. And then here we have the crosstab chart that show the products sales by product subcategory, by product category, and then product name, right? And then third one is customer details. In the customer details, we have sales by month. Here we have the top 10 customers by city, sales by customer city. And in this we have sales by customer city also. There we have sales by customer city. Right? And then we have the sales by customers by month. And then here we can select the month, this data. So that's the general overview of this graph. And now let's start working on our report so that we can create a dashboard just like that, and which will show how to, this video will show how to do that. So basically this is our blank dashboard now. First step is our data. First we have to get the data. So we'll go to the transform. Here we already have created our first dim underscore products table. As you can see, in this dashboard, if you go to the tab into the transform data, we have dim underscore products, dim underscore customers, dim underscore date Excel, fact internet sales, fact underscore budget, and then we have a key measures, right? So this one we already have. First of all, we have to get the data. This dim underscore product we have already have this by utilizing the SQL query. And let me show you go by this product. This is the query we will we will use this query to pull the required information from our AdventureWorks Data Warehouse 2019. And we have already created a tutorial on SQL, but I will just go through quickly how this data is coming. So we are selecting product key, product order date key, due date key, ship, and these number, ordered number, sales amount, all that. So let's go. So this is already done. Okay. Now we have this now here. Now we'll again go to the transform table, transform data. Go to the home tab, new source, SQL, So first of all, we'll get the SQL Server name. So this is our, and then we have to go there and get the database name. And then we'll go to the advanced options. And here we run the team customers. So we'll go there and we go to the transform data and dimension customers. This is the data here. So we'll go to the source thing is here. So we'll copy this statement. Okay. And we'll go. Okay. So we have the data. Okay. And we will name this table to customers table. So copy this table name. We give the name there. And then file close and apply. Or simply apply. Okay. Now we'll go to the home tab and new data source. SQL. Same step. We'll get the database name. So here we will put the same. Now this time we will get the third table. Team underscore date underscore Excel. Copy. Okay, now we'll name this same name as we have. Okay, so this is our calendar table also created. Now we'll go and fact internet sales. Same step. Copy the server name, home, new source, and the database name. And we will use this query for fact internet sales. Okay, copy the same name, go there, just okay, okay. So now we have, I think, two more tables. We have fact underscore budget. This is an Excel sheet. We'll copy that address because this is a budget. Basically, we'll use this Excel sheet here. Home, new source. This time we will use Excel, desktop, Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we'll give this name fact underscore budget. Okay. Now we have key underscore measures. Okay. Right now we don't need the key underscore measures. Okay. Let's do that. We can copy it. So we have key underscore measure also here. So all we this is basically a table for the measures, right? So we have all the data sets and now close and apply. Okay, so right now we don't have anything. We have we have in the data model. If we see look at the data model, we have all these tables here. So first thing first, we will relate these. We develop the relationships with these. So this is basically Many-to-one relation we have with the fact internet sales to dimension customer. Okay, and then we have a product table, product key with the dimension products. Each product could have many products. One of that many-to-one relationship means like there are many products in the fact internet sales from dimension underscore product. Right now we will go and here, and when we will go to the data model. So dimension day underscore date underscore Excel is connected to fact internet sale. Hmm. So that we will have to do here. So let's go to the one thing we have to do is data transformation. Let's change it to date only. Okay, and then fact underscore budget. Okay, okay. Let's see now how it looks like. You see now these many to one. So from fact underscore budget, and then we have dimension table. Each date from the dimension date underscore Excel could have many dates in the fact underscore budget. Okay, and then we will then dimension underscore date with the date key. Okay, now this is our table. The fact internet sales table have our order date key with this date key with the order date key, right? One to many relationship. So means one date in dimension underscore date underscore Excel is a calendar table. So each is a unique date, but One unique date could have many similar dates in the fact internet sales table. Yes, sir. So now we have all completed our data model. Okay, save the file. So we have all the required tables here, and then now we will create the measures. Budget underscore amount. We'll copy that and I will explain. Effect underscore budget table. So budget underscore amount is equal to sum fact underscore budget, right? Okay. Budget underscore amount is developed. Now we have to create sales. Fact underscore internet sales. Okay. So basically, these are the summarizing the fact underscore fact internet sales amount. And now again we will go back sales minus budget. Sales minus budget amount is ready now. Sales divided by budget amount. years. Okay, so now we have developed all these data sources and tables, and in the next video we will start working on the uh, our dashboard. So that's how I show you, like, just to recap what we have done. We have created the data sources at a first stage. So to transform, we created the data sources. In this, all this data is coming from SQL Server. You see, we use the SQL language, and then we have a customers, and then this calendar table, fact internet sales table, and fact underscore budget table. So that's how we, at the stage one, we have to first have the required data from our source data into the dashboard. And in the second stage, we have to create important measures which will be utilized in our dashboard. So now our dashboard is completely blank. So we will exactly create this dashboard with these three different pages. So in our next video. So just wait for the next video, and thank you for your time. And I hope I was able to explain these all these steps we have taken. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.